Today we'll talk about how can you find active apps and websites on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So just go down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this. Then you just click on account, you come to next here, then all you have to do, so then you just click here on website permissions, just click on it here. So then here you will find here all active apps and websites, and here expire it and remove it here, and here expire it. So then here active. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.